everyone. So in this video we are going to see Nmap installation on various platforms. So first we are going to start with the installation of Nmap on Windows platform. So the first and the very basic step is to go to the Nmap website, that is www.nmap.org. Then you have to download Nmap latest stable command line.zip. Also, you have to download npcap, which is the network packet capture. After you have downloaded both, you have to install them and you are good to go. So let's see this. So I'm onto this website, nmap.org. On the left hand side, you can see a download button. Just click on that. After you click on it, you can see Microsoft Windows binaries. So you can find the Microsoft packages over here and just click on the latest stable command line zip file. So once you click on it, it will start downloading. I have already downloaded it. As you can see, I have already downloaded over here. This is the folder that you will get after you download. Remember, you need to extract it. After extracting, you will be able to see these all files inside it. You also have to download this npcap, which is the network packet capture adapter. I have downloaded this also, and you need to install that. The installation is very simple. So once you double click this nmap.exe, you will see that something comes up onto your command prompt terminal but doesn't start, because this is not the right way to start Nmap. For that, you have to go into your URL bar, which is this bar, and type cmd. After you type cmd, you can see a command prompt will open up like this. Just drag and drop the nmap.exe and hit enter. After you hit enter, you can see there will be a lot of options on the screen like this, which means Nmap has successfully installed into your computer. Thank you.